Well, here's some nostalgia for you. My first video on this channel was actually specifically on this map. So, since I just loaded into a random server this morning, I decided to go on here. Why not? Been a while since I've played, god damn it. Well, play the music. If everyone's wondering where I went, or the people who watch my long forms, I've been doing a lot of stuff on shorts. You might have seen that. Like, a lot of work on shorts. Like, I have an entire animation channel on my shorts. It's been mostly animation. You have seen a little bit of them. I'll stick up the 2 videos on screen. But, I've been mostly doing that these past couple, months. God, it's almost been a year since I've uploaded, like, an actual gaming video on this channel. You know, the channel dedicated to Team Fortress 2. It's been a while since I've actually uploaded a video. Isn't that funny? Well, there goes all my bones in my body. I decided to change the pistol. I don't know, who cares. Who cares about the pistol, goddammit. Why did I just randomly mention that? Oh, engineer. Okay. Oh, it's a mini sentry, okay. Great. Where's the health pack? Oh, spy! Spy. Oh, heavy. You got a heavy. You got a heavy. You got a heavy. Just gonna go. Go. Medic down. I got his medic. It doesn't matter what I do now. I got his medic. Who are we kicking? For what reason? Who is this person? Well, I guess our scout did a disappearing act. You know, guys, I don't think random crits are exactly fair. God damn it, we are a demo night. God dang! We are against a good team, Jesus. It's definitely time for the funny. Let's see the funny. Okay, so right there is our team going to go attack the heavy. So I'm just gonna go do this. Oh, there's no well where I live. Well, that was short-lived. Back to scouts. Yeah, something tells me that we've hit rock bottom. Oh, yeah, we're... You know, I don't think random crits are fair. You know, how the flip did I actually live? Suddenly, I'm really good at this game. Flip. I should have known. And I didn't. Because I don't think. The curse of knowledge. Oh. Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna... There. Okay, the medic's healing me. We're good. Oh, God. Flip. Should have known. We're getting some presents, at least. On this holly jolly Christmas. It's the best time of the year. I swear to God, if I get copyright struck for that. For singing Holly Jolly Christmas. God damn, the local sniper. Yeah, there's nothing for it now. We're gonna need some muscle. What the hell is this loadout? Here's a good one. There we go. Heavy always wins. Except against another heavy. With a medic. Yeah, the spy. The spy knows what's happening. He's seen things he cannot unseen. There you go, got one of the targets away. I was just gonna say, I don't do many SFM bits, I should probably get on that. Sniper, it's not a good time to taunt. Considering half of our team is considered dead. You know, we might not have a chance at winning. I love being big Russian man with big Tommy gun. God damn it, it's a minigun. Yeah, I don't think we're winning. you know, something in my psyche says that we're not gonna win today. But hey, at least I got someone. Yeah. The only thing left for it now is playing rock, paper, scissors until my eyes explode. Pirate's looking at me. Do you think he knows what I did back in 1999? Maybe if I'm... Oh, wait. Yep. Already somewhere. And I forgot about the spy. Oh, never mind, he died. You just hear his like... You don't even hear it because it's too quiet. But I heard like a slight cracking of the spy's bones. I got killed by that man. He's just missed like 2 backs. I forgot. Oh. Fuck. There we go. There. The holiday seasons come early, boys. Hey. There. Flip. I got backstabbed again. Should have known. That one sniper's really doing us over. So you know what? There's only one way to deal with snipers, and that's to become a sniper. And to become one, I need to master the sniper art. Oh! God! First kill I get, and it's a headshot. Okay, that's really good actually. Oh, he's inside. God, he just got out. Yeah, he's there. And he's gone. Oh, wait, there's one sniper. Oh, this is good. Yeah, this is spy. I just knew. I just knew that was a freaking spy. Spy now, mates. God, I'm screwing up so hard, but I'm... You know he's a spy when he starts moving... Oh, flip, Girardi. Oh, there we go, 50 damage. God, I'm getting my goose cooked. God, can't speak. You know, just an average day. You know, when you see that... I love how that distracted me so much that I actively had to unzoom just to look at it. Yes, that does appear to be Grey Man's Robots. Now, maybe I should rename the channel That Sniper Channel, and then no longer place my Scout, instead Sniper. God, I can't speak. love it when I can't speak English. Oh, yes. You know, I wonder if that's a spy. You know, I wonder if that's a spy. I knew it. Ha! I just got the achievement for being backstabbed. I'm that bad at the game, I've been backstabbed and given a pat on the back for being bad. I've been given an achievement for being bad at the game. Well done, you're horrible at this achievement. Get killed by a spy. Okay. Oh, wait, we have a target. I swear I just saw someone. I'm pretty sure it was the spy. I'm very cautious. I'm gonna move forward. Spy has a gun, and so does Sniper. Oh god, I've been hit with a bottle. The head glass hurts, but I don't fully know. Today we're gonna find out if glass hurts. 3, 2... Ah! I'm back from hitting my head off a bottle. It hurt. Wasn't this a holly jolly Christmas? We're getting so many good rewards. That reminds me, I still need to do my contracts. Oh! That was clean. Flip. Should have known. It's never the spy, it's always the demo man with the glass bottle. How long are we gonna keep this glass bottle joke up? Yes. Flip. Flip, I missed. Flip, how did that miss? Oh, I'm just gonna... Okay, that didn't hit. Oh. Maybe it distracted him at least? Flip. You don't say! You don't say! Alright. We're gonna do this one headshot at a time. Oh! Body shot. Just straight up body shot. And that's all she wrote. Hey, flip, 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 flip. The local heavy population is angry. I think it was heavies. Flip. I'm not very good at this job. I don't know what to do with no more, man. Should I switch to scout? Just for the time being while we get the presents. I'm sure it'll be fine. It doesn't matter how many hats you have. It doesn't matter how many skill points you have in the skill tree. You'll still get killed to the local bad spy. Flip. It's gone. Okay, we're just gonna run. Bye-bye. We're running. That's a spy. Yep, knew it. Okay, yeah, he's... Why did I shoot him? I saw that he shot. And obviously spies can't shoot, so that means he's friendly. Yeah, that's not how distraction sentries work. You were right there. I would rather get you than the distraction sentry. Oh yes, because obviously I would assume that was there when a pyro is coming right towards me. Yes, the local spy being there makes sense, yes. Yes, perfect sense. Good job, Team Fortress. I guess I just hate spies in general. Snipers. God damn it! Did I say spies or snipers? I really hope I didn't say one. God damn it, that distraction sentry came back to fight me later. God damn it, I knew it! I have no words. No. No, okay, yeah. Sorry, position. Why did my body go so far? God. Scout, with your powers of infinite wisdom, please get the local pyro. Oh, finally. Finally. There's a spy right there. There's a spy dressed up as a pyro. Okay, he's gone. Oh. Oh my god! That is the funniest fake ragdoll I've ever seen. Oh, we might actually win. Oh, flip, I'm in the water. Flip, flip, flip. Oh, wait. Yes, we win! Yes! Yes, we win! And I was in the top 3, let's go!